Okay, in this topic we're looking for the intersection and union of two sets. So set I has these three numbers, 3, 4, and 8, and set D has these three numbers, negative 1, 2, and 3. Now when you see a union of two sets is typically when you have the U, and an intersection of two sets is when you have the upside down U. Kind of looks like an A without the bar. So a U means I want or, and an intersection means and. So this first one says I or D. So we're looking for any element that's in or I or D. So we're going to circle anything that's in either one. So you have 3, 4, and 8, negative 1, 2. I don't need to list the 3 again because I just want to list everything that's in either one, so I don't have to list it twice. So if I was going to write this, I'd put my set symbol, 3, 4, 8, negative 1, 2. So those are all the elements that are in either one. Now for the and, we have to list which ones are in both. So if you look at these two sets, the only element that's in both sets would be 3. So the intersection would just simply be 3. So union is when you're looking for things that are in either one, and a intersection has to be in both.